We all know that almonds are very healthy. It has so many vitamins and nutrients. But the skin of the almonds contain tannins, which prevent the complete absorption of nutrients. Moreover, the skin is very hard to digest as well. In this video, we are going to see how to blanch the almonds, remove the skin, and make almond flour all within 10 minutes. Now, let's get into the recipe and see how to make this. We need to blanch the almonds first. For that, add some water to a saucepan and bring it to boil. When it is rolling boil stage, switch off the flame and place the almonds in the boiled water for exactly 2 minutes. Don't leave the almonds in the water for too long. Exactly after 2 minutes, drain the almonds using a strainer or with a colander. In a bowl, take some icy cold water and add some ice cubes to it. Add the strained almonds immediately into the bowl to cool them off. The almonds will cool off within 2 to 3 minutes. We can easily remove the skins now. Let's drain up all the water and place the almonds on a clean kitchen towel or on a paper towel. This is to drain away the excess moisture from the almonds. Now we can start pinch off the skins. It will be very easy to remove the skins. Once we removed all the skins, let the almond to dry. We can dry these almonds in many number of ways. We can just simply place them on a baking sheet and place them under a hot sun for 2 days. For me, it's winter now, so I'm going to roast it on a low flame. Let's place the almonds on a fry pan. Roast the almonds for 2 to 3 minutes on a very low flame. The almonds should not change the color. Just roast till all the moisture goes. Feel the almonds with your hands. If they are warm, switch off the flame. Let's place the almonds in a food processor or in a blender. Process the almonds in intervals till you get the sandy texture. We should not overblend the almonds, otherwise the oil from the almonds will start releasing. Just blend it coarsely. Once it gets the grainy texture, our almond flour is ready. We can store it in an airtight container in the fridge or in the freezer. It won't last for a very long time, so use it within 2 weeks. This almond flour is gluten-free, grain-free, and we can use it in paleo and keto diet. It is very healthy. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you try this recipe at home, please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Meet you all with another delicious recipe. Until then, happy munching!